Hello friends, welcome to Coding Solution, and today I'll be creating 10th program of our decision and loop series, and the 10th program would be C program to generate multiplication table. Okay, so basically what I'll be doing is, in this video I will be making a C program in which the user will be entering the number, and I will be creating the multiplication table in the specified format. So without wasting further time, let's start. Okay, so earlier what happened, in the earlier video, there was the ninth program was the factorial of the number, so I need to remove this so that this can be remove file from the project. Now this project is empty. Now I have to new file, add new file, and add empty file. Do you want to add this new file in the active project? Has to be saved first, yes. And I will be making the naming as program 10.c. okay, so debug and release version of the same. So now let's place the heading of the program C, program to generate multiplication table. Okay, so in the standard format what I'll be doing is I will be taking the input from the user, and what's the reason is I will be printing the table up to 10. Okay, so author will be Pawan Singh. Okay, so let's start. Basically the earlier I have explained these kind of things. It is to start as hash include stdio dot h. Okay, and the another one is int this, and this n will be the integer to find multiplication table. Okay, so for example, if I say find the multiplication table of 4, so I will be putting the value of n as 4 here. Okay, and then I is a counter, the counter which will be used for printing the value in the redundant format. So just push up the message to the user as printf enter an integer to find multiplication table. Okay, just a simple message to the user. Now with the help of a scanf function, we will be scanning the value which the user will be adding. Since it is an integer, so I will be taking it as a percentile d and n, ampersand n. So now I have taken the integer. Now I need to redundant it. That's why it is considered in the project called as decision and loops. Here we are taking the decision, and here we are using the loop. So for I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 10, and this will be equal to plus plus I. Okay, so now I have entered it here. Printf percentile d and percentile d into percentile d, this equals percentile d. Now I'll take it into the new line. Let me write the code first, and then I'll be explaining it that why this is happening. Okay, so first of all I will be taking, as suppose I take the integer value as 4, so 4 I will be placing it as n here. Okay, and then the counter is initially it is 1, so 4 into 1, so I will be placing I here, comma, this will be equal to this percentile d, this percentile will be equal to 4 into 1, so I will be writing it as n into I. So understood, this was the part. And again let me try to explain that. What I am doing here is I'm taking an integer and multiplying it. I'm just using the star notation, or you can use it as x notation, and use as I'm multiplying an integer with the 1, and then it will be equal to a following number. So first of all, n would be placed here, and then I would be placed here, and then again the outcome would be n into I. In the next line, just put a return 0. Okay, and then that's it. This is the program. Just save it off. Okay, so now let me try to build and run it. What is this showing as? Has include, oh sorry, I've done the the silliest mistake possible. Int main, I have defined no main, so it will not be going anywhere. Okay, just run it off. Enter an integer to find a multiplication table. Just place it as 9. You see, 9 into 1 9, 9 into 2 18, 9 into 3 27, 9 into 4 36. So it has printed the table up to 90, and the process was returned, and the execution time was 4.4 seconds. And then press any key to continue. So it has come out of the compilation. Now basically you can see that it is very simple to generate a multiplication table. The main idea behind posting this as simple as this kind of videos is I am using the concept under the decision and loop. So basically this program generates a multiplication table of an integer up to 10 digits, okay, up to 10 times. Now but this program can be made much more user friendly by giving an option for user to enter up to which number he or she wants to generate the multiplication table. So basically suppose if a user wants a multiplication table of 6, and he wants to print the multiplication table up to 12, so in that what should be the code? So this is one of the printing, or one of the challenge for you. I have made this video. I hope my dear viewers would be making the videos in which I will be seeing that how we can make this program much more user friendly. So this was all for this day, and I hope that this video must be helpful to you, and stay tuned to my other videos as well. You can please go through the list, and I have mentioned it, and that's it for the day. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Bye bye.